Good morning, class. Today is the last day of your revision. So today is day 4, the last day, and today we are going to do only the revision work. Today we are going to revise the chapter exponents and powers. So I hope you people have learned something from the past 3 days that I am teaching you. So today is the last day that we are going to revise, and these are the sums that I am giving you from some other books. There are some sums in your book also itself. So let us solve it. Let us revise different kind of sums that might come. Okay. So now you are going to copy the sums in your copy, because these sums, some of them are in your book, but some of them are not. So let us just write it down. I am dictating it, but still you people can see and write it down also. The first sum today is, if 2 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 is equals to 4 to the power x, then find the value of x. These kind of sums were done by us in day 3, that is the previous day. The last two sums that we had done were these kind of sums. We are finding the values of the power. We found out m, we found out n. Today we are going to find out the value of x. Clear? So let us do this sum. How we are going to do it? Same way. Let's copy down the sum first. 2 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 equals to 4 to the power x. यहाँ पे सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 2. Isn't it? So 4 को भी आपको 2 के फॉर्म पे लेके आना है. ठीक है, तो मतलब 4 को आपको चेंज करना है. आपको लिखना है कि 2 में कैसे होगा, 2 में कैसे लिख सकते हैं, है ना. I don't need to repeat these things, because if you have listened to the previous classes carefully, if you have still downloaded the videos, and if you have that video stored with you, then you know what I'm speaking about. You have to change the 4 in the tables of 2. You have to change the base in the form of 2. Clear? How you can do it? 4 को LCM करो या फिर प्राइम फैक्टर करो. 2 2 जा 2 1 जा. क्लियर? सो कितने बार 2 लिखने से 4 आता है? 2 बार. क्लियर? सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट 2 to the power 4 into 4 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 to the power 3 जैसे रहने दो, equals to, यहाँ पे भी 4 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 to the power x जैसे है रहने दो. ठीक है? So now how we are going to do it? So 2 to the power 4 into, we can write 2 into 2 as 2 to the power 2, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जैसे 3 था वैसे 3 रहने दो, इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे भी 2 to the power 2, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जैसे x था वैसे x रहने दो. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? See over here, see this thing. How we are going to do? We are going to first open this bracket, isn't it? पहले ये ब्रैकेट को हम लोग ओपन करेंगे. So 2 to the power 4 into, ब्रैकेट ओपन करने से क्या होता है? पावर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. 2 into 3 equals to 2 to the power 2 into x. है ना? We are going to multiply the powers if you remember the laws of exponents. So 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 6 equals to 2 to the power 2x. Clear? So now 4 and 6, and this is 2 and 2. Bases are same, powers are different. Multiplication sign. A to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. मतलब हम लोग powers को add कर देंगे. 4 plus 6 equals to 2 to the power 2x जैसे वैसे रहने दो. तो फिर ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 to the power 10 equals to 2 to the power 2x. So 2 to the power 10 equals to 2 to the power 2x. है ना? हो जाएगा ये 2 है. Sorry to write it so small. 2x. Clear? 2 to the power 2x. अभी जब भी आप इस पोजीशन पे आ जाओगे, जब आप कुछ और कर नहीं सकते, तो फिर आप क्या करोगे? आप बेस को हटा दोगे और सिर्फ पावर्स को आप लोग कंसिडरेशन में लोगे. So powers क्या क्या है? 10 और 2x. So how we are going to do? We are just going to write the power. 10 equals to 2x. Equals to sign क्यों दे रहे हैं? यहाँ पे equals to sign है ना, इसीलिए. So 10 equals to 2x. So 10 divided by 2 is equals to x. 2 को यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करो, वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन में था तो यहाँ पे आके डिवीजन हो जाएगा. तो 2 1s are 2 5s are. So therefore x is equals to 5. ठीक है? Did you understand? This sum was so easy, isn't it? The previous day's sum, the last sum was a little tough one, but this sum is a small sum with a power of 2. So like this, simple sums are only going to come. There's nothing to feel so scared. It is just that we practice many more sums to just make our base strong. Clear? So that if any kind of sums comes, you can solve it. Okay? So this is today's first sum. Wait for the next sums. Okay. Today's next sum, sum number 2. Copy down the sum. I'm dictating, copy it down. Otherwise, you can pause the video and see the image and then see it. If 2 to the power minus n into 8 to the power 2n plus 1 into 16 to the power 2n completely divided by 4 to the power 3n is equals to 1 by 16. Then find n. Same thing, you have to find the power, but I'm showing you how many formats of this kind of sums can come, how many types इस sum का कितने सारे type का sum आ सकता है, ठीक है? That is why we are doing this type of sum. This is the last type of sum that we are finding the power. So total we have done 4, 2 in the previous classes, 2 in this class. Clear? So let us do this sum. How we are going to do it? सबसे छोटा नंबर यहाँ पे कौन है? 2 है ना? तो आपको हर एक नंबर को 2 के फॉर्म पे चेंज करना है, जैसे हम लोग कर रहे थे कि हर एक नंबर को हम लोग 3 में चेंज कर रहे थे, हर एक नंबर को हम लोग 4 या फिर 2 में, पहले भी सम्स में हमने किया था कि 2 पे चेंज किया था, बेस को 2 रखना था। तो यहाँ पे भी आपको बेस में 2 रखना है। यहाँ पे एक तो है कि बेस 2 है, लेकिन और नंबर्स देखो 8, 16, 4, 16, आपको ये सब नंबर को 2 के बेस में करना है, ठीक है? तो how you are going to do it? I told you prime factorization method. You can use that. You can do the prime factorization method. कैसे 8 को चेंज करते हैं 2 में? 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. कितने बार 2 लिखने से 8 आता है? 3 बार, ठीक है? So 2 into 2 into 2, it is coming to 8. So how will I change that? 2 to the power minus n into 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 2, और 8 के पावर में जैसा था वैसे ही लिखो 2n plus 1 into 16 को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं? 16 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. कितने बार 2 लिखने से 16 होता है? 4 बार. So over here also I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 2n जैसा था वैसे रहने दो, ठीक है? Divided by 4. 4 कैसे चेंज करते हैं ये तो सबको पता है कि 2 into 2 is 4, मतलब 2 को अगर 2 बार लिखते हैं तो 4 आएगा. So 2 into 2 to the power 3n. Clear? और equals to, यहाँ पे 16 था, equals to 16 we just now did कि 2 को अगर 4 बार लिखते हैं तो 16 आएगा, isn't it? So equals to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है? समझ में आया हमने क्या किया? यहाँ पे हर एक नंबर को हम लोगों ने 2 पे चेंज किया है, जितना सारा भी नंबर था उसको सबको 2 पे चेंज किया है, सिर्फ ये नंबर को छोड़ के, बिकॉज दिस वाज ऑलरेडी रिटन 2, ठीक है? सो नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन 2 to the power minus n, अभी सबको हम लोग पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना है। यहाँ पे 2 कितने बार है? 3 बार, सो 2 to the power 3 ब्रैकेट के अंदर, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो है वे लेने दो, इनटू यहाँ पे कितना बार 2 है? 4 बार, सो 2 to the power 4 ब्रैकेट के बाहर जैसा है वैसे लेने दो, डिवाइडेड बाय यहाँ पे 2 बार है, बाहर जैसे वैसे रहने दो, इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई 1 2 3 4, यहाँ पे भी 2 4 बार है, तो 2 to the power 4, ठीक है? समझ में आया ये काम? अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप, we are going to open these brackets. We are going to open the brackets. So 2 to the power minus n into, what happens when we open the bracket? Powers में multiplication हो जाता है. So 3 multiplied by 2n plus 1. ये तो पूरा क्वांटिटी को हम लोग को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसलिए हमने 3 को बाहर रखा है और इसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखा है, मतलब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है? इनटू 2 4 into 2n, और नीचे 2 to the power 2 into 3n इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 to the power 4 जैसा है वैसे करो। हर एक ब्रैकेट को हमने ओपन कर दिया है और सबको हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म पे लिख दिया है। यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर लाइक दिस आल्सो, 3 into 2n plus 1, इसको ब्रैकेट में रखो। समझ में आया ना हम लोग ने क्या किया? यहाँ पे हर एक को हमने मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म पे लिख दिया है, ठीक है? नाउ नेक्स्ट इसके बाद हम ऊपर करने वाले हैं You can pause the video if you want. Okay. Now, next over here. So, 2 to the power minus n into 2 to the power 3 2n plus 1. Clear? So, now we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply this. So, 3 से दोनों को multiply करना है. So, 3 into 2n means 6n. So, 6n plus 3 into 1 means 3. Clear? Now, into 2 to the power 4 into 2n मतलब 2 to the power 8n. 4 2s are 8 and n will sit over there. Divided by 2 to the power 6n. 2 into 3 is 6. So n, 2 to the power 6n equals to 1 by 2 to the power 4. Clear? समझ में आया ये? So 2 to the power, now see all the bases are same, all the bases are 2, बीच में multiplication sign है, powers different है, तो which formula I'm going to use over here? A to the power m into a to the power n. So a to the power m plus n. So a to the power, I'm going to add all the powers. I'm adding all the powers over here. Divided by 2 to the power 6n जैसे वैसे रहने दो, यहाँ पे भी 1 by 2 to the power 4 जैसे वैसे रहने दो. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं इसको? We are going to add all the digits over here. I can add all the n's together. So this is 14n. 14n minus 1n is 13n. So we are going to write 2 to the power 13n plus 3 अकेला है तो अकेला रहने दो. 2 to the power 6n equals to 1 by 2 to the power 4. Look, this is revision, so I don't need to explain each and every step to you people because I have already explained these kind of steps. By now you should know how to do the sums. Clear? So now let us solve this. So 2 to the power, now we are going to do in the division form. Formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. So a to the power m जो है ऊपर जो है वो है m minus n is this one 6n equals to, you can change this thing now. Let's see what am I doing. I am writing like this, 2 to the power minus 4. Inverse कर दिया इसको, 1 by 2 को सिर्फ 2 लिख दिया, तो यहाँ पे पावर क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, है ना? These are all exponents formula. So minus 4. So what is happening over here? 2 to the power 13n minus 6n is actually how much? It is 12, 6, 7. So it is 7n. 7n plus 3 equals to 2 to the power minus 4. अभी इस स्टेज के बाद हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to remove the base and calculate only the powers. So we are now going to consider only the powers. So what are the powers? 7n plus 3 equals to minus 4. So 7n equals to minus 4 minus 3. 7n is equals to minus 7. Minus minus is plus. That is why 4 plus 3 is 7. Sign क्या बैठेगा? Minus, क्योंकि 4 के पास minus है, तो minus. So n is equals to minus 7 by 7. Ones are ones. So n is equals to minus 1. This is your answer. Clear? Did you understand how to do this kind of sums? So we did these kind of sums 4 types. So all these 4 types you are going to practice. इन्हीं चारों में से कोई एक या फिर दो आएगा. ठीक है? Clear? Maybe the numbers will be changed, but the format will be same. Okay. For this it is over. The next lecture is going to be some small sums will be there. Just we are going to solve that and we are going to wind up today's class. Okay. So today's third sum, we are going to simplify this sum. This is a simplification. This is not finding n or m or x. This is just a simplification. We are going to solve what the answer comes over here. Okay? So the sum is 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power 0. Now this is a very simple sum. We are going to copy the sum down again. 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 plus 1 by 4 to the power 0. Okay? What is to the power 0? Do you remember exponents law? Last law, a to the power 0 equals to 1. मतलब किसी भी नंबर के ऊपर अगर पावर 0 है मतलब वो 1 है. तो 2 to the power 0 means 1, 3 to the power 0 means 1 and 1 by 4 to the power 0 also means 1. So what is the answer? 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So like these simple sum will also come in your exam and a sum of a difficult range that will also come. Okay? So I hope you people understood how to do this kind of sum. Clear? Let us do the last sum of today's. Let us solve that. Hurry up. Okay. Today's last sum will be a proving sum. A different kind. Today's last sum is going to be a proving sum number 4. The sum is prove that. You have to prove that a plus b to the power minus 1, मतलब a plus b दोनों का पावर है -1, एक साथ का पावर है -1 into a to the power -1 plus b to the power -1 is equals to ab to the power -1. This is the sum. Okay, copy down this sum. A plus b to the power -1 into a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 equals to ab to the power minus 1. You have to prove that this thing is equals to this thing. Clear? So I think you people know a little bit that when you prove, you are going to write this is the LHS, this is the RHS. मतलब left hand side LHS, RHS right hand side. Okay, let us solve the LHS first. We are going to write like this. LHS में क्या लिखा हुआ है? A plus b to the power minus 1 into a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 है ना. Now a plus b मतलब इसको एक ही पकड़ो, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही नंबर है. a plus b मतलब एक ही नंबर, to the power minus 1. Do you remember that formula? a plus b to the power, तो फिर ये सिर्फ पॉजिटिव 1 हो जाएगा, माइनस से पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. I hope you know which formula I am using over here. यहाँ पे भी वो सेम होगा, ब्रैकेट के अंदर a पे 1, यहाँ पे b पे भी सिर्फ 1, माइनस साइन नहीं रहेगा. I hope you understood what I am doing over here. ठीक है? So I will not repeat again and again which law I am using over here. If you know the law, you know it which I am using. So 1 by a plus b भी लिख सकते हैं. बार बार to the power 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. To the power 1 मतलब एक ही बार है. Into यहाँ पे नीचे 1 by a plus 1 by b है ना. Now we are going to solve this bracketed portion. We are going to solve this. कैसे करने वाले हैं देखते हैं. ये जैसा है वैसे रहने दो. 1 by a plus b जैसे है वैसे ही रहने दो. Into यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट के अंदर दोनों का एलसीएम क्या होगा? a और b कैसे एलसीएम होता है? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर देना होता है. a into b means ab. अब इसका एलसीएम से कैसे हम लोग ऐड करेंगे? यहाँ इसके नीचे a है, 1 के नीचे यहाँ पे a है ना. तो इसके ऊपर हम क्या लिखेंगे? किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? b से. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा b प्लस यहाँ पे नीचे b है तो ऊपर क्या कौन सा आकर बैठेगा? a. You are going to multiply this. If you divide this with this, whichever digit remains, तो उसको ऊपर लिखना है. ठीक है? Did you understand what I am trying to say? यहाँ पे नीचे a था और यहाँ पे LCM था ab. तो इसको ऊपर में हम क्या लिखते? किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते 1 को? कैसे पता चलेगा? हम लोग ab को a से डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है? We are going to divide a with ab. अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो कितना कौन बचता है? b बचता है ना. तो b से हम लोग 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आया b. सेम थिंग यहाँ पे b है तो b को हम लोग ab से डिवाइड करेंगे तो b कैंसिल हो गया. कौन बचा? a. राइट. सो हम लोग a से 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आया a. समझ में आया? हम लोग क्यों वहाँ पे b और a बिठाए? क्यों a और b नहीं? अगर उल्टा लिखते हो, अगर यहाँ पे a plus b लिखते हो तो फिर that is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. Clear? So 1 by a plus b into over there what it is? b plus a divided by ab. Isn't it? So we can now open the bracket. 1 by a plus b into b plus a divided by ab. अभी b plus a और a plus b they are the same thing. How? Let me give you an example. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 6 or 5? 5 only, isn't it? That's why this is same. b plus a or a plus b is the same thing. So I can cancel it. यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 1. तो कितना आया? 1 by ab है ना. 1 by ab मतलब इसका पावर है 1. एक ही बार लिखा हुआ है तो इतना इसका मतलब इसका पावर है 1. इसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में चेंज करो. पावर को कैसे नेगेटिव करेंगे? अंदर जो है उसको हम लोग इन्वर्स कर देंगे. तो इन्वर्स कर देने से क्या हो जाएगा? सिर्फ ab टू द पावर -1. देखो आंसर आया. यहाँ पे था ab टू द पावर -1. ये भी आया ab टू द पावर -1. Isn't it LHS equals to RHS? तो लास्ट लाइन में तुमको क्या लिखना है? You are going to write it like this. In the last line you will write it like this. You are going to write like this, that LHS is equals to RHS proved. This is your answer. Clear? सिर्फ एक ही proving sum I am doing with you people, only one. If it comes, then this is only going to come. So it is better you practice. Some of you are going to mug up, I know that, or some of you are going to open the copy and write it down. That is up to you. But if the proving sum comes, only one will come. Only this will come because this is the only way I have practiced. So don't worry. If it comes, it is going to be this. And if it doesn't come, then it is well and good. Clear? Thank you, class. So we have completed our this chapter, exponents and powers. And I guess you people have understood what I tried to say. I tried my level best to make you people understand the chapter. And if there is any doubt, you people can ask me. And in every class's end of every lecture, I have given you the homework and you people have submitted me. So thank you for cooperating with me. Thank you for understanding my lecture. So All the best for your exam. Thank you, class.